Hello students, we are going to continue the story A Grain of Rice from your term book 2 for the subject English. Here we go. So children, before we going to continue the story A Grain of Rice, let us have a quick recap of what happened on part 1. Once there was a king named Gopa Gapandramnath. He broke his promise which he made to the people to save them during their difficult times. And a village girl named Boli taught him a lesson. So we are going to know how the village girl Boli taught him a lesson. Come on, let's go. Continuing from the previous story, Boli started collecting the falling rice from the sack. That time, one of the god had seen Boli and thought she was a thief. Boli replied that she was not a thief. She was holding the falling rice from the sack and wanted to return to Raja. When the Raja heard about Boli's good deed, that is good thoughts, he called for her. Raja said, I wish to reward your returning what belongs to me. For that, Boli replied, Your Highness, you may give me only 1 grain of rice. Moving further in this story, each day of 30 days, you will give me double the rice you give. Thus, tomorrow you will give me 2 grains, the next day 4 grains of rice, and so on for 30 days. The Raja thought that was the modest reward and he agreed. So this is how the calculation started. On the first day, she received only 1 grain of rice. On second day, she received 2 grains of rice. Ninth day, 256. 10th day, 512 grains of rice. And on 15th day, 4096 grains of rice. Further, on 20th day, she got such a big quantity of rice so that it requires 8 royal mules to carry the rice. This thing just keep going, and on day 32 Brahma bulls. Brahma bulls is such a huge and a strong animal to carry loads and goods used during a kingdom's period were needed to deliver 64 large sacks full of rice. Raja Gapandramnath was deeply troubled. A day before the 30th day, she was presented with the contents of 2 royal storehouses. Children, content means the thing which is used to store, or a place which is used to store some extra things. Right? On the last and the final day, 256 elephants crossed the village and carried the contents of the last 4 royal storehouses. That what happened was, finally Raja had no rice to give. He asked Boli, what will you do with this rice? For that, Boli replied, I shall give it to all the hungry people, and I shall leave a sack of rice for you also, if you promise from now on to give only as much rice as you need. For that, Raja said, I promise. And for the rest of his day, the Raja was wise and fair as a Raja should be. The moral which we have learned from this story is small thing adding together make huge things. That is, even if you start learning small things on daily basis, your future will be bright. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye bye.